Most print-on-demand sellers spend their time creating basic t-shirt designs that don't sell. But do you know that you can actually make logo-style designs that has unique self-expression art that cater to a specific niche audience? In this video, I'll share 8 different logo design ideas for your next t-shirt inspiration. I'm gonna create each one with Leonardo AI, and the prompts are for my Patreon posts. You can click the link in the description below to join. Now, let's start with the first design, which is colorful retro logos. I'm just gonna go ahead and create the setup. If you want to know about this, you can find the beginner's video in the description below. Once I'm done with the setup, I'll copy and paste the prompt. And then generate the images. This surf-themed logo is a type of retro-inspired design with a soft color palette, which is ideal for creating a nostalgic yet vibrant vibe. It's eye-catching and perfect for summer-themed t-shirts. Beachgoers, surf enthusiasts, or anyone who likes retro aesthetics would love the fun and casual feel of these types of tees. Number 2. Bold outdoor logo. This type of logo has a strong, blocky typography and a minimalist illustration, creating a rugged, adventurous feel. The plain color scheme and simplicity makes it versatile for any t-shirt color. It's perfect for nature enthusiasts, hikers, and people drawn to the outdoorsy and camping lifestyle. Number 3. Minimalist clip art logo. This logo style usually has an elegant, flowing script text with a simple shape or clip art. The minimalist black and white color gives it a clean, modern look. If you're targeting a gift-giving niche, then this logo design style is perfect because it's a thoughtful and stylish way to celebrate the special people in our lives. Number 4. Detailed Mayan logo. The Mayan art style has a vibrant and intricate geometric pattern which creates a striking contrast between the background and the text. This design is ideal for anyone who loves modern streetwear and urban aesthetics. Number 5. Classic silhouette logo. This is a basic silhouette design with bold text. It may look simple, but it's very popular. People buy these types of shirts because they appeal to their daily struggles. You can make a black and white design or add some colors like I did here. You can also add a motivational quote to make it even more appealing. These types of logo t-shirt designs are perfect for fitness, health, and mindfulness enthusiasts. Number 6. Bold pattern logo. This textured lettering with a backdrop of mountains and a sunset is a basic type of a pattern logo t-shirt design. While this particular design has a rugged and adventurous vibe, you can actually use this idea for many different types of niches. It would appeal to people who like bold patterns and colorful tees that makes them stand out. Number 7. Summer sunset logo. This is another retro-inspired design. It has the classic multicolored sunset with vibrant gradient stripes with silhouettes. The laid-back feel makes it ideal for beachgoers or anyone who enjoy the carefree spirit of summer. Number 8. Vintage portrait logo. This is a different version of the retro sunset logo design idea. The main difference is that it has a cartoon portrait. You can use a person, or even add the face of a dog or other animals. The design screams bold and fierce, which makes it perfect for niches that show strength, confidence, and pride, particularly in movements related to empowerment and self-expression. It's also a great fashion statement. So, that's it for this video. You can find the prompts I used in this video on Patreon. My premium members can access these prompts and more. Please use the link below to sign up. Thanks for watching, and make sure you share this video to help my channel.